greetings to you all. I welcome you back to another show from Dine's Kitchen Cooking channel. Now I'll just get right into it. Today I am making my sorrel fruit cake. So come on over with me and watch me make this cake. So now, first you need a bowl. I'm using a pound of butter. And to this butter, I will add 4 cups of sugar. 4 cups of sugar is equal to 1 pound. I will cream this together, and creaming it, the butter and the sugar is rubbing the sugar into the butter so that the consistency becomes a little fluffy, so that the sugar is dissolved into the butter. So you can use this method of using the wooden spoon, or you can use a cake mixer and do this. But I am using my wooden spoon, the old-fashioned way. So when this becomes fluffy, I will show you. I'll get back to you. So as you see, the butter and the sugar is now cream, and this is the consistency. It's very fluffy. See? Now I'll move on to the next step, which is combining the liquid ingredients, eggs and the liquid ingredients. So here I am using 6 eggs, and I'll wash them. I'll break them gradually and remove the eye. Sometimes they come with 2 eyes. You have to remove them. Right. So next I'll add my almond essence. my rose water. Some vanilla, like 2 spoons of vanilla. And then I will grate some lemon zest. This is to prevent the rawness in the egg. Don't need a lot. Then after we will combine. We will just whisk this together. Then I will combine my dry ingredients. So here I will sieve 4 cups of flour. When you sieve the flour, you get rid of the lumps. So that is 4 cups of flour. To the flour you will add, I'm adding my cinnamon powder, a spoon of cinnamon powder, a spoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and a spoon of allspice. This you will combine. And then you add this now to the cream, sugar, and milk. So I'll set this aside until I'm ready for that. So here now, butter, I have the butter. Now I'll add the liquid ingredients. And the milk. So at this point you would heat your oven. So you just mix your egg mixture to your cream, butter and sugar. At this point you will preheat your oven. So now I will add my flour, dry mixture, which I add gradually. Sure that you get everything down in it. And you add your fruits as well, gradually. So you just fold. Now I'll add some wine. So in this fruit cake, I didn't add any food coloring. Just mix and combine everything together now. Like that. Right, so I just greased the baking dish. I'll get back to you. Now, to grease my baking pan, I just rub the butter around like this. And out. Good. And then I'll just add some flour. Dust it with some flour. See, I add some flour in there. And I just like that. This is to prevent the cake from burning. And you dust any excess flour away. And you pour your cake into your pan. Right. So the next time you will see me, is to show you the outcome of this cake. So I'll bake this cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. So here is my finished product of my sorrel fruit cake. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. For those viewers who view the videos and not have subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe so you can see these interesting videos on this channel. I thank you for your support. Have a fabulous Christmas and a Happy New Year. One love, everyone.